On this 2005 Toyota Sienna, the air conditioning, and this is video number 2. Okay, I told you this was a non-OEM Denso, and it has fewer fins per inch and fewer cooling tubes. That was obvious. And it was 100 grams overcharged, so when I finished recovering, it ended up being, well, almost 100. It was 900 grams instead of 810 grams. So 750 to 810 grams was what it called for. It had 900. This was one I worked on before and it was working good. And I could not get back to him and help him do the condenser or anything. He went somewhere else. Had the condenser done. They put a aftermarket, not quite OEM quality condenser in there. So now we're getting, at this temperature, what do we got? Outdoor, we're getting 200. It's surging up to 300 psi on initial takeoff. So there's a little bit of an issue going on. And yeah, I'm taking getting down to 44 degrees. Not quite where I'd like to see it. I would like to see, I mean, it's cutting out under factory thermostat, satisfying temperature. And but I do like to see them get down to 39, 41 degrees. This one's cutting out just a little shy of that, but not happy with the high side pressure. But that's what happens. Aftermarket condenser, and I believe the shop who did this might have overcharged it with lubricant. That's the other thing I suspect. But that's what happens when shops are allowed to be called shops and do air conditioning just because they could have a hose in a can or a machine. Another victim of somebody's lack of knowledge or caring or taking shortcuts. That's it. But I have the refrigerant charge cut back down to the factory spec, and which it was overcharged 100 grams or 90 grams before. And 90 grams, roughly 3 ounces plus, is way too much for a microchannel condenser on really hot days, and that's why he was getting poor performance. And now he should be getting better performance. Come on, focus, focus. And my thing doesn't want to focus. Oh well. Catch you guys on the next one. This is a sad story of improper recharge and aftermarket poor quality condenser.